It's 100 degrees here in Temecula, California, and I'm going to show you how to protect your Tesla Model 3 in the heat with just two simple things. Check this out. So this is a very short video. To protect your Tesla Model 3 or your Model Y, you're going to need a halo black sunshade and a halo black roof shade. Top glass, it's got a protective film on top of it, which does an amazing job protecting you from the sun, but when you touch it, it gets too hot. The side glasses, for some reason, I could hold this, but because the sun is directly on the top, you can't leave your hand more than a couple of seconds before it starts to really burn. This Model 3 being kind of low, you could kind of feel it on your head. It's kind of uncomfortable. So during the summer, I like to have a sun roof shade. So I travel a lot and I leave my car in the outside parking space in Ontario, and it's there for days. And if you are at 100 degrees and above, my cabin protection turns on and it will drain the battery. Not that bad, but it will drain the battery. So you want to keep the inside of your car cool as much as possible, and you definitely need the sunshade. I'm going to show you how to install it and how it looks, and also the front windshield umbrella shade. And if you do like it, I'm going to have the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much.
The Voyager 2 blocks 95% of the UV rays and fits perfectly in your windshield.
And then the rod is thick. It's got a bendable middle inside, so it could come back to its original form, and then it will hold in place. The sunshade, you definitely need a sunshade. The glass is super hot. You could barely touch it. It's 100 degrees out here in Temecula, and it is super hot. The side glass is okay for some reason, but because of direct sunlight, it is super hot, and you can feel it on your head when you're driving too. So I definitely want to protect it. This is super affordable. It's not going to break your bank. I did make a video on retractable ones and the ones with a remote, and that's a little bit pricier, but this is way more affordable. It's summertime. You need to protect your Tesla. Nice little bag.
It's made of high-density polyester with nano ice crystal heat insulation coating, blocking 95% of UV rays and heat.
And it's super thin too, and you kind of wonder, like, will this really work? It's the thinnest thing I've ever seen. There's a little logo that says front. It's got this tiny little clips. Make sure the silver part is where the sun is, the roof, and it's got the Halo Black logo on it. Put that one on the bottom. And I love Halo Black too, by the way. They got awesome accessories, so I highly recommend checking them out. They got some cool hubcaps. They got some dope Tesla accessories. That's very cool design too. Make sure. Oh yes, yeah. Clip this on the bottom. Very simple. And then just slide that in. The color matches the interior, so it's seamless. I love that. Clip here. Of course, right here too. Two on that side. Right over here. And you know what? I'm gonna just put one on the back.
I'm putting two clips in the front, one on each side, left and right, and one on the back. And for the rear part of the shade, I'm putting two in the front and two on the sides.
Yeah, before I couldn't even touch it, but now I could just leave my hand up there. It's warm, it's hot, but it's not burning. So it's kind of nice, and you definitely don't feel it on your head as well. So I love this for the summer. It looks great. It's the exact color as the interior, so it blends in perfectly like it's OEM. I love the way it looks. Easy to install, easy to take out and put away. I do have my heat protection on. You could turn it off and save your battery, save the car from turning on the automatic air conditioning when it gets too hot. But I like to leave mine on just because there must be a reason why they have it. You don't want your car to be super hot. Kind of make sure that my Tesla is safe. So I keep it on. By having the insulation inside the roof and the front, you keep your car as cool as possible. Even during the winter when it's cold outside, once you have the heater on, the insulation, the extra insulation of the front and the top will help the heat stay inside the car even longer. It's very affordable for both the sunroof protector and the front windshield, but I do have a discount code link on top of that below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.